What's going on, traders? I took a small loss this morning, so we're going to talk about it. Alrighty guys, so you can see here that I was in at 10.06. I had two contracts on SPY, playing the 298 calls. I was in at 110, and then I stopped out at 94 cents here with a market order, so a little slippage. I could have saved a little money if I used a limit order, but playing it safe there, didn't want to get in over my head. So a $32 loss on the day. Yeah, everyone takes losses. This is a loss for me, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. So let's take a look at the chart. Alrighty, so this is the SPY 2-minute chart here where my mouse is. We had the gap fill today. We gapped up on SPY, and then we filled the gap here right to 298.50. The 50-cent mark there was the gap fill, and I was getting a buy signal here. The gap filled. We were seeing some support. We had this nice green bar. If you look down here on the 5-minute chart, I'll zoom in a bit. This was all happening while we had this gravestone hammer here. So a nice hammer there. I waited for confirmation on the 2-minute. We had another green hammer, and we were looking like we were poking through this resistance trend line. That's why I bought two calls here. So I was in. We had a little bit of continuation, and then boom, this big old candle stopped me out. We went below the lows here, went below the lows again here, and I was out for my $32 loss. And as you can see, it's a good thing I stopped out there instead of let it keep going, because ultimately the price is continuing to get turned down by this resistance trend line. I would have had a little bit more of a loss at this point, and who knows what's going to happen throughout the rest of the day. So glad I stopped out where I did. Nice little $32 loss. I had a plan going in. I had a good entry, I think. I had confirmation that we had green. It just didn't work out today. So glad I stopped out where I did. Again, saved myself a couple bucks. As you can see, the prices are going lower now. And that's going to be that. If you learned anything from the video, let me know down below in the comments section. If you liked seeing this video, give it a thumbs up. And as always, consider subscribing to the channel if you'd like to see more of this content.